divided into three categories. One is overly sensitive indica. Taiwanese commonly called zai lai mi. We usually grind them into flour and make bread rice noodles. Another is overly sensitive japonica. Is major consumer of rice in Taiwan and Japan. And the other is overly sensitive VAR ground notion. We usually use them to make small round dumpling, rice dumpling. In Taiwan, rice is a commonly steamed food. You can find it easily wherever you go. We usually cook it with water. If you put braised pork on it, we call it lu lo fan. We curry it turns into another its sour flavor. If you use more water and cook with perceived egg and pork and some ingredients, you will have countries to eat with different taste. By the way, do you know where rice comes from? Let me show you. How to plant paddy? First, farmers must cultivate seed land, but nowadays have had a seed land center. Most farmers can bypass this step. Second, they dig and prepare the soil. It let arable land be more suitable for ground seedlings. Third, transplant rice seedling. After finish, the farmer wait for babies of paddy growing up. About 120 days. They must harvest rice. Do you think being finished? No. After harvesting, they also go through drying, remove excess water. Grinding, remove rice husk. In the end, we often see parched rice only. Rice comes hard, so we don't waste it easily.